that He has enriched the world with. A very heartfelt morning to all. This is Manroop Singh Vadhavan from Class 10th B presenting morning assembly on this special occasion of Makar Sankranti. This festival signifies that we should turn away from the darkness of delusion in which we live. Makar Sankranti is first Indian festival falls in every new year. It's way of welcoming spring after the winter months. Dear friends, Lord Sun bestows on us life, health and vitality without expecting any reward. Let us thank God Surya for blessing us and let's start today's assembly. Now everyone join your hands and close your eyes for the morning prayer. To invite Anish Jha for the same.
Thought for the day is, the sun don't shine for some flowers and trees, but for the wide world's joy. I repeat the thought, the sun don't shine for some trees and flowers, but for the wide world's joy. Thank you.
Sankranti literally means movement. Everything that we recognize as life is movement. Sankranti is a harvest festival celebrated in India. Sankranti is derived from the word Sankraman, meaning a change. It is also called Makar Sankranti as the sun enters Makar Rashi that day. It usually falls on 14th of January every year. The sun starts its northward journey from the Tropic of Capricorn towards the Tropic of Cancer. This journey is called Uttarayan, meaning northward march. We in India are to the north of the equator. We rejoice on Sankranti Day because the chilly cold winters come to a close and healthy sunny days are about to begin. Sankranti is called Pongal in Tamil Nadu and Peda or Pedala Panduga in some parts of Andhra Pradesh. Peda means big and Panduga means festival. It is festival when prayers and offerings are made to ancestors. It is celebrated in different ways in different parts of the country as it is a harvest festival. It is a festival to thank God for giving a good harvest. By January, the paddy, the pulses, the sugarcane and all the other cereals would have been harvested. The farmers would be full of joy and happiness. Thank you and happy Makar Sankranti.
Makar Sankranti. Makar Sankranti is one of the few Hindu festivals that take place on the basis of solar cycle. Almost every Indian state celebrates Makar Sankranti with a different name. In Haryana and Punjab, it is known as Lohri, and in Tamil Nadu as Pongal. The festival marks the end of winter and the beginning of warmer and longer days of spring season. Gathering and flying kites are termed as the auspicious ritual of the festival.
नाम अवनी है। आज मैं आप सभी के समक्ष एक कविता प्रस्तुत करने जा रही हूँ। आज का दिन है अति पावन, मकर संक्रांति का है दिन। आज उड़ेगी आकाश में पतंग, होंगे लाल पीले सब रंग। गंगा में डुबकी लगाओ, करो शीतल तन और मन। दान करो चीनी चावल धान, कमाओ पुण्य बनाओ परमार्थ। जोड़ो हाथ ईश्वर से वर मांगो, सब जीवन का हो कल्याण। धन्यवाद।